What's going on, everybody? We're back with the E36 in the garage here. We're finally gonna start making a couple more videos on this thing since I got some parts and whatnot. This was gonna be an exhaust video, but the exhaust I picked up for it is having some issues, meaning I found a hole in the pipe. So I gotta get that welded up, or I might just wait and find a whole nother one. But in this video, what we're gonna do is a few interior things. So first, we're gonna detail the interior, and by first I mean after I do the initial things I want to do. So not first, but we are going to detail the interior in this video. On top of that, we got three things here. We got a cabin air filter. Since we're going to be in the interior, might as well take care of that. We got a Glovebox hinge. So this is allegedly the piece that keeps it like closed, and as you guys know, the glove box in this car falls every time you close it. And I read a post that this $1 part will do the trick. Let's hope that that's true. Let's hope I can even replace that. And then I got some door panel clips for the driver door. So to start, we're gonna head over to the driver door because it is falling off and the handle is missing like the screws. So when you try to close the door, you kind of pull the handle off, which is super obnoxious. So we're gonna try to take care of that, add these because they're missing on the bottom. Once we got that door figured out, we'll do the glove box, cabin air filter, and then we'll detail it. Alright, to start on this door panel, you can see we're missing all the bottom clips. We're missing one of the screws here. One of them are still here, and it is a Torx T20, maybe? Yes. So this isn't even, like, the door card is not even, I think this is the only screw that's holding this door card, because now it really wants to come off. I don't think any of these clips are in place. I gotta pull this, I gotta grab a screwdriver. Now I believe this should be like an E34 and just pop out. Okay, cool. Alright, that was easy enough. Now what do we do? How do we do this? Unplug the speakers and we are off. So there's nothing we have to do on this door. Lord have mercy, this door card needs some love. So as I suspected, every single one of these is broken, although it's not what I suspected. I suspected some would be intact, so I only bought 5, or I guess 6. That was really stupid. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I guess I'll just stagger them like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or something like that. The top part that clips into the window is broken as well. This piece is missing the screw right there, which is why my handle's falling off, I believe. I think that's where the handle gets held on. So tape, this is a disaster. But we should be able to get these clips kind of figured out, and I gotta get a screw that goes in here so I can have my handle working again. And then I think we should be alright. This, I don't know what to do here. I could try to minute epoxy it, but maybe I will do that. Let me see what I want to do here, and I'll set back up the camera. So I conveniently had a random screw that fit. So now this, which is the metal support bar that holds the door pull, which was hanging off, is now fixed, and I'm stoked about that because that was super obnoxious. You know, every time I close the door, the handle would just pop out. So that is sorted, and now we're gonna pop out all these broken clips, and I really wish I brought more. But they actually might be the same as E34, so I might have spares. I actually did have 3 spare E34 clips, which is cool. Yep, they fit. We have all clips on there, and we got the support bar bolted down. So let's put this thing in. It should actually be pretty solid now. Look at that. Oh man, this is exciting. This goes in and back. Plug this in. Boom. Dude. Let's see if I can find one screw to put there, but otherwise, that's a solid door card. I honestly didn't think that that would be successful. That was a success. This door card is all the way on there now, and I'm thrilled. So now I can open my door, and look how solid that is. Man, that's good. All right, that's one thing taken care of, and now we move on to the glove box. So now, seeing as to do this glove box latch, it looks like I have to take the glove box apart. Now's a good time to do the cabin air filter. You can see my painter's tape I was using to hold this thing open. Didn't work, but so to get this glove box out, I believe we have screw here, 2 sneaky Phillips in the vent. Okay, so that takes the top out. Oh, which has the piece that we need. Beautiful, that's easy. All right, so I just dropped all my screws, that's an issue. Well, I guess let's keep going with the cabin air filter, and then we'll fix this. Oh, there's 2 at the bottom. Uh-oh. I'm doing this by feel. Alright. That's our whole glove. So then we have to pull this thing down. And I got some electrical stuff there. And then pull the vent out, which wasn't in place. So that's cool. Oh my goodness, it's destroyed. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She is a monstrosity. That's the old one. That's what a new one looks like. So, long overdue. Now I'm gonna vacuum all this up before I put the new one in. Shove the new one in and try not to destroy it. And then kind of put everything back together, and then we're gonna do this latch. Alright, so now we're here with the top part, and like I said, this is the mechanism we're replacing. Allegedly, that's supposed to do something, but let's find out. So, I think it's just 1 Phillips. Oh man, I have no idea how that spring went. Okay, so upon looking at the new and the old one, I don't feel like this is gonna fix anything, because it's not really any different. You can see maybe the slightest bit worn, but yeah, I don't know about this. Okay, I figured out the spring. I got it in. Moment of truth now. Let's reinstall this and see if it works any better than it did. Please work. I really want to have a working glove box. It's so annoying how it doesn't work. So that goes in like that. Alright, I got it all screwed down, and check this out. Stays closed. What would you know? That $1 part did the trick. So if you guys are facing a glove box that does not stay open, all you need to do is buy that black little lever thing. Let me show you guys the part number really quick. I'll help you guys out. So 51168168863, and it looks like this. ECS Tuning has it. It's the only place that has it. FCP Euro, it is back ordered with no ship date. But I really don't know. I don't know what about this piece is worn compared to the new one, but clearly something was, because it works, and I am really freaking stoked about that. Because having a glove box that does not stay closed is the most obnoxious thing on the face of this earth when you're trying to drive. You may get it to close for a little bit, hit a bump, and then it's open again. So I am stoked. That is a successful door panel job, successful cabin air filter, and successful glove box. So now, let's give this interior the love it deserves. Let's clean it up a little bit. is a wrap on the interior detail. Finally got to this. It took long enough. Now it can finally feel like my car. I absolutely hate driving cars that I buy without cleaning them first. Some are really bad. This wasn't bad at all. I mean, it wasn't even really a detail. It was more of just like, you know, wiping over everything, cleaning, conditioning the leather, and then using Adams polish, microban, for everything else, you know, antimicrobial, just because I'm a clean freak, germ freak. So I can finally now drive this car feeling like it's mine, you know. Everything's cleaned, and yeah, I'm pretty happy. So, and we got a working glove box and a door card that works. So like I'm really stoked, and we got clean air to breathe because of the filter. So that was a fun little video. I haven't done something like this in a while. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Setting up cameras was a pain in the ass. This is the behind the scenes, step ladder, light, another step ladder, stools. You know, filming this in this garage is really difficult. Outside's a lot easier, but getting the light right and stuff. So I hope it looked good. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next E36 video. Hopefully it's putting a new exhaust on this thing so it doesn't sound disgusting anymore. So stay tuned.